Hello there, welcome back to my channel. With our special guests ngayon, no? Right, so for today, pag-usapan lang natin kung paano mag-apply naman ng ng Schengen visa. This one will be Ola España version naman kasi pupunta tayo sa Spain this coming October. Yeah. Right? So we've gone to our visa appointment earlier, just a while ago. And yeah, meron tayong separate video about that, and it was just so quick lang talaga. Right? Hello guys, so yes, it was a success na for our Spain visa application.
Yeah, we're done.
So yun yung BLS, right? And yeah, super bilis lang talaga niya, right? We'll just inform you about them specifics later na lang kasi medyo pa kami. Parang pa siya.
We're a bit,
over the moon kasi
parang,
kasi
yeah,
first timer natin
overwhelmed.
dito, no? At least, diba, we've gone here like around we've arrived like around 11:35, parang ganun. And now, it's just 12:20, oh. So, super bilis na, no?
Right? An hour now. So,
Yeah. We'll just inform you about the specifics then. So, see you España. Hola. Hola mga tapas, right? So, right now, since marami pa tayong time and syempre naman, kung andito tayo sa Manchester, sayang naman kung di tayo shopping. So, alam, may pera pa, no? Right? So, ito lang siya. Ito yung sa Spain naman na Spain naman na visahan, right? Ayan siya. Right? And dito lang siya, parang alam mo mga call center sa atin sa Pinas, right? Parang isang building lang siya. Oo. Parang ito yung pinaka heart of Asia. Heart of Europe, parang gano'n. So, yeah, right? Later, as I've said, i-discuss namin yung mga specifics kung paano yung application and all, lalo na sa online kasi sila yung magaling dyan.
Wasn't really expecting that quick pa yung ganong application. Like,
Diba?
like yung sa Pinas, alam mo yung pag-apply natin dito.
Yeah.
Parang ganun lang, smooth lang siya.
Smooth lang talaga siya, like sobrang bilis, di ba? Talk din tayo, no? Yeah.
Kaya parang lang.
Kasi the reason why sinasabi naming smooth siya, minsan mas maganda mas maganda na mag-expect ng worse. Why? Because when we've first had our visa applications pa France siya, that was last year, no? And yeah, TLS is different kasi. Ito BLS siya, di ba? Yeah. TLS was quicker.
TLS is slower.
No, it's not like so. It's more strict. It's more specific. Yeah, thorough then, right? So, kayong bahala kung ilang H meron sa thorough. So, kaya yun lang. So, right now, we'll just wait for Uber going to Piccadilly and then, yeah, we'll take it from there, right? Ayan. Ganyan tayo. Ito na yung hustle and bustle ng city. Okay?
Fast, yeah. Kasi hindi naman tayo nagmamadali.
Yeah. Ayan siya. Right. We've never expected na ganun lang siya kabilis, right? Especially na meron kami kasing comparison because me and Pavi, we have applied for both visa for France. So medyo siya, and we were under TLS at the time. Manchester din siya, pero super strict as compared to BLS for today. But anyway, right, so kami may experience na about that, pero yung guest natin dito, ang super ganda na si Michi. Right, first time niya for visa appearance, right? How was it?
BLS.
Diba may na tayo, may pa-version na tayo ng
Parang siyang before sa VFS natin back
No?
in Philippines pa.
Which was just so quick, huh?
So quick lang, tapos then expect na ganun nga siya kadali, tapos helpful din yung mga staff.
Tao.
No?
Yeah. That's one good thing
Tapos,
about it.
Yeah, tapos yung sinasabi nyo na, kasi diba, dapat quarter to 1 ako. Pero kasi magkasunod pa rin naman tayo. I mean, sabay tayo pumasok. So, kinater din ako. So,
Diba?
yun, at least hindi ako nagantay ng matagal.
Yeah. May pakita rin services din sila doon.
Yun nata yung difference sabi nyo sa TLS.
Sa TLS, yeah, right? So mamaya magdudwell pa tayo with regards sa naging experience namin doon. Pero syempre, bago ka magkaroon ng appointment, you have to ang tawag dito, make wait, for the available slots for visa appointment, of course. And syempre, si Love yung magaling dyan. Siya, sinabihan kami ng friend namin na si Beshi Joy. Thank you for letting us know na merong available na slot for Shenzhen. And then it was Pabi who did everything na nun. Silang dalawa, syempre sila lang. So which website then? Anong
BLS Spain visa.
Alright.
Application.
So ituro mo siya dito kasi pwede natin siyang masingitin na nakita pa tuloy yung plano natin.
www.bls.international.com.
O diba, talaga active na active ang ating dyan, ang ating partner.
Wala
So,
din
if
akong
I'm not
alam.
mistaken.
Wala din akong alam sa ganyan.
yeah,
So,
kasi diba, again, going through, sa grupo kasi, kaming dalawa ni Michi, kaming dalawa yung mga walang alam, mga mangmang saan. So siya lang at saka si Jaya talaga yung mga minds ng ng thing. Anyway pala, so namin video namin siya kasi nakakahiya kung nandito kami sa park tapos walang kinakain. Wala na, paubos na pala siya. This one is mango bingsu from, pakita lang namin. This one's from Bunak. There's the Ay, Bunsik. Kanina pa ako bunak ng bunak. Sorry naman. Right? And kakasabi lang namin earlier, sa likod naman yung Shoryu. Kakaramen lang namin dyan. Right? Pero wala tayong kabusugan, no? Right? Anyway, so this is, again, the Piccadilly Gardens, guys. Right? As you all know, right? Medyo matagal-tagal na din tayo sa UK. And one good thing na maganda dito is that sobrang gamit na gamit talaga yung mga park nila, right? So imagine mo, right? Sumabay kayo mag-imagine sa akin. Pikit nyo yung mata nyo, tapos imagine nyo kung ito Pilipinas, di ba? Di ba? Ma-imagine mo, sa kabila meron nagtitinda ng Yossi. Di ba? Tapos sa kabila may tumatae. So very good talaga ba? At least dito okay, right? Anyway, so going back, so yun na yung website, Love, no? So paano siya? Paano yung process?
Oh, it's it's uk.blsspainglobal.com.
But anyway, we will just include the link na lang. Kala mo naman, ina-assume na lang namin na interesado kayo.
It's straightforward naman din. Ang daming steps. Tapos i-follow mo lang yung steps doon. So, ayun na. And tsaka email na lang din nila yung mga requirements and everything para sa'yo.
That's nice, no? Right? So, yun nga. Sabi nga ni Pabi, it's just pretty straightforward. Kasi parang natatanong lang naman doon, mostly yung mo, di ba? Tawag dito. Yung mga details mo and everything. Importante din yung BRP, right? Which is our residence permit here in the UK. And then, wala na, no? Straightforward lang talaga. Ako, sabi ko nga sa kanila, parati lang akong may issue sa mga ganyan. Amongst the three of us, ako yung unang nag-pay. Pero, ako yung last na naka-receive ng confirmation, di ba? Nagkaroon pa ng issue. I even emailed yung mismong team ng BLS. But anyway, obviously, nakaraos na tayo and all. And then, at the end of it, we paid now. We paid how much?
For me,
20
127 yung sa akin.
No.
For the appointment.
For the appointment pa lang.
Para 30 plus or 20? Not even 30.
Ayun, check na lang namin yung receipt namin. Pero yeah, of course, you will be paying for the slot, for the said appointment, no? And then yun na. So, today is the 24th of July. And tapos na yung appointment namin, no? Yun nga yung sabi namin kanina, include namin yung video na meron kami kanina. Hindi na din ako nakapag-video like literal na like bit by bit kasi what I thought masungit nga sa BLS pero hindi naman pala. If had I known na ganun lang ka-chill, sana nakapagpuslit tayo ng camera dun sa loob, no? But anyway,
Bakit hindi pwede?
yun nga, no? Anyway, baka specific sila doon. But yeah, that's the good thing, right? Nairaos na natin yung yung visa appointment and now will just be the waiting time, no? The waiting game. Or, yeah, paano ba yung process kanina? So obviously, sinabihan lang namin yung yung parang receptionist na we're there na for the 12 p.m. appointment for me and Pabi. And then yung sinasabi nga ni Michi kanina, hers is, what time is hers?
12:45.
So 12:45 is her supposed schedule. Pero since magkakasama na kami, binigyan na siya and then she was catered even earlier than supposed to, no? And then, anong meron pa doon? Nung tinawag na yung mga numbers namin, chinek na yung mga details, and ang parang kaming tatlo, isa lang yung naging issue namin. Ang kailangan kasi nila is the July, no? July bank statement. Eh ngayon is just the 24th. Mostly yung mga bangko namin, it did not generate the July bank statement as of yet. So good thing na lang, meron tayong mga parang mini version ng mga bangko na nakapag-generate agad-agad ng July, and thank God we're able to do so. And yun nga, no? After nun, ang last bit was just the biometrics part. And yun na, mabibigla ka na lang kay ate, sasabihin na, okay, you can go. Di ba, parang wala man lang sinabi. And, nagtanong ba kayo kung kung gaano katagal, ganito, ganon.
Actually, nakalagay doon 4 to 6 weeks, pero wala naman sila.
Actually, I did. So, ako na naman very good sa group ko. No, tinanong ko si ate, sabi ko, for how long?
lang tayo. So, parang,
ang sabi niya, wait. Ang sabi, 2 to 3 weeks daw siya, right? And obviously, it will be delivered na lang through post, right?
Nilagay niyo ba yun yung address, name, address, tsaka
Yeah.
Number, phone number.
yes, there's no phone number.
There is.
Address lang yung
sabi niyo, unang
Medyo gusto ko na ganyan. Yung parang, naalala mo yung nag-exam ka nung college, tapos ganun ba yung sinagot
She
mo?
didn't even check yung papel. Kasi parang sabi niya lang sa
Tingnan ka lang.
akin, just give me, can you just write your address? So,
sinure ko lang.
Di ba,
tapos parang-
mas maganda yung na mag-comment nga kayo.
Diba?
Di ba nakakairita yung mga kasama mong
Kasi
biglang
tinanong ko siya,
stressin ka, di ba? Yan, na-stress na sila.
Oh, anyway, I've got the number, the appointment. So,
No, but the important
Sige
bit of
daw,
that, on that is yung name mo lang siya yung
Address,
address.
yeah.
So yun lang. So after nun, wala na.
For 4 year
Diba?
lang yun. For 4 year po.
Ganun lang naman siya ka-easy, no?
eh, kung hindi ako makontak,
So, siguro, asahan na lang natin, hindi natin makakasama si Michi sa birthday ko this coming October. And bigyan na lang natin siya ng isang malaking blessed. How blessed. Tapos yung important bit, magkano daw, sabi ng mga nanonood, kahit wala naman sila pakialam, di ba? How much was it?
Kanina? Or
Yeah.
in total?
It was around 122, no?
Yeah.
Kasi 121 pounds something, no?
150.
But,
120,
yours-
127 plus para mga 20 to 30 na sa booking appointment.
Mga ganunan lang. So, ayun, nairaos na natin, no? Hopefully, maging okay siya. And ang question na lang ngayon is, for how long ba yung mabibigay sa amin, di ba? Our issue as well is, may bago ng rule with regards to BRP ngayon na magiging online na siya by next year. So, obviously, yung physical card namin, what shows in there, mag-expire siya this coming December, no? Even though kaka-renew lang namin good for 3 years. So, that's just what we're waiting for na lang ba ngayon, guys. And
Hindi, okay lang.
yeah, we'll let you know on what will be the outcome ng mga pinagagawa natin ngayon, right? Anyway, hindi pala tayo nakapag-outfit check for today kasi mukha kaming tatanungin namin yung mga taong like open-minded ka ba, ganito, ganun. Kasi meron pa tayong, asan yung natin lang? Ayun, ano pala yung quote natin and everything. But yeah, nairaos na natin and nakapag-dessert pa and everything. So, pamatay oras na lang ngayon, right? We'll do some window shopping na lang in a bit and we'll go to our workmate's son's birthday, right? So, yun na. Eh, syempre, makitain tayo kasi libre and everything. Right? What else pa ba? Ano pa ba yung mga input niyo doon? But yeah, siguro ang ang pinaka takeaway lang for today is that hindi siya minsan kasi better na mag-expect ng worst, no? With regards sa appointment sana. Pero sobrang quick niya. Diba dumating kami ng around 11:35 doon and then wala mang 12:20, like 20 past 12, tapos na. Alright? And ayun lang, right? We'll let you know and ibig sabihin yan, abang-abang na naman kayo kasi kukulitin na naman namin kayo sa mga namin yan. Sa mga pa-post. Kasi ang Core 4 will go to Europe na talaga officially. Iiwanan na namin yung mga gagastos na ibang bansa, right? So, hopefully makatipid tayo dito this time round. And yeah.
Tayo sabay-sabay.
Diba? So, ang galing lang kasi this one, just before we let you go ba, this one kasi, hindi na namin inaasahan. So, parang in-expect naman namin na yung birthdays naman, dito na naman siya within sa mga non-European countries. Kasi yun pala yung pwede kami. Pero it happened, no? Naging available yung Spain and everything. So, naset na yung mga plans. So, yun lang. And, wala na, no?
to start up European tour.
Yeah, right?
Maabang na lang kayo guys. Maabang na lang kayo.
Makikita nyo na yung mga pa-uutilin na naman ni Madam Michi niya, di ba? Grabe na naman.
Ako ba talaga?
Right? So, yeah, yun lang guys, right? So, pero sana naman dagdagan pa natin, di ba? Kung kayo nanonood kayo, tawagin nyo yung iba para manood naman sila, right? So, that's just for this video, guys, right? Please do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Lagay natin siya dito para masaya, right? Yan, there. And, yeah, mag-comment din kayo kung naiinis kayo. Whatever, right? You take care. Bye-bye. Good morning guys. We just received our passport.
¿Cómo estás?
Yeah, hola. Para mag-oola na kami. So we just received our passport from BLS. Right, so literal nabubuksan namin siya, kakagising lang namin and all. So yeah, tignan natin. Para kung madi-disappoint kami, fresh yung makita niyo mukha, no? You go first. Excited na. Sana naman, no? Tapos pala mali pala yung passport.
No!
Bakit gano'n? Right? So ganito lang siya, ganito lang yung packaging itself, no? Tapos, binigay yung...
Fairness, binigay.
Yung pangit namin, pangit ko.
Sa France, hindi ito bibigay eh.
No,
Hindi, sa ano man yun, parang kiosk.
Okay.
Kiosk na yun sa France.
Meron din kasing biometrics doon, so ito yung mga extra pictures, we could use them in the future. So ito na yung passport itself.
Drum roll.
So drum roll, please. Hindi namin alam where to start. So ang hinahanap natin ngayon ay...
Espanyol. And then okay, so. France. Nakita mo na? Visado.
Ala,
Visado.
3 months lang ba siya?
Diba? Oh, kasi ano, at least diba? May
Ano
sobrang
ba?
19 January. Pili ko kasi yung sa BRP natin.
Ah, ikala ko ito lang. Ito lang yung nakita ko 90 days. Ah, pero
Yeah,
January siya.
January 19.
Ilan siya?
3. November, December, January. Yun lang.
So at least makapag-apply tayo. Yun nga, no? So nawala na kami sa ulirat, no? But anyway,
At
yun,
least may
na-approve kami ng ano.
pwede pa tayo sa year na. If ever.
Na-approve kami ng 6 months. Ay, oo nga, may pa
Three.
ng year. No? Ay, ang 6 months. No, 3 months. So mag-expire siya sa 19th of January. Mag-start siya sa 7th, which is yung plan nga namin. But, yeah, thank you. Right? At least it's a good thing na magagamit pa namin siya. So, yeah, yay! At yung mapopost din namin to, no? Nakita niya medyo happy naman, no?
Oh, nice.
Nice siya. Nice siya. Actually,
Bilis.
pinlan din namin,
Bilis
I mean,
survey.
parang ganito din yung inas namin. Kasi if it's gonna be for 3 months, 6 months, February, March, April. Mamaya kasi, pwede rin kasi March yung birthday niya, para at least ba, may extension, mag-extend na lang tayo, mag-apply na lang tayo panibago. Tapos may online visa na.
Pwede mo survey sa ibang country.
Right? So at least it's a good news, right? So, yung mga passports namin and all. So, yeah, right? See you Espanya! Viva Espanya! Kami naman nasa sakop. Joke.